All right, good morning. I'm going to do two quick problems from the chapter review at your request. Seems like there is some concern that we have forgotten how to factor and expand. Oh boy. Looks like I brought the old markers home from school, huh? Yuck. That's no fun. All right, let's try this one. So you're going to expand this one first. This happens to be number 11 in the chapter review, page 44. Okay, so this is how we expand. So the question is 5 times the quantity m plus 3 plus 2 times the quantity m plus 8. So you've got a couple different operations here. You've got addition in 3 spots. And then you've also got multiplication in 2 spots. You see that? I'm going to make 2 notations on each side just to remind you. What property does that remind you of? Hopefully it reminds you of the distributive property of multiplication. So you're actually going to distribute the 5 to the m, and you're going to distribute the 5 to the 3, okay? So this is an I do. So I have 5m. I'm going to keep that symbol the same. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, I'm working left to right. I'm getting rid of my parentheses, so I'm doing everything I need to do for the order of operations. Then 2 times m is 2m. Keep my sign the same. 2 times 8 is 16. Then you have to combine like terms. So 5m plus 2m, 15 plus 16. Okay, that's it. Now, to factor. So I'm going to pull another one from the chapter review around how to factor. So of course you're looking for the greatest common factor to work with. I'm going to take number 16 because this one can be a little bit of a bear, as we like to say. And I had a question on this morning already. So this has an added step. Okay, so we'll get to the factoring part in a minute. But as you can see, 58 and 40, okay, we might be able to find a common factor. They're both even. You might really get stumped when you get to the 9. Ooh, 19's prime. What do I do? So it's going to be hard to find a common factor here. So let's remind ourselves. Take a deep breath. Combine like terms. All right, so 58 minus 9. What is that, ladies and gentlemen? Then we've got 40 minus 19. Remember, it's minus 19 because the sign in front goes with the term. So 40 minus 19. What is that? Okay, so we're combining like terms. We've got the terms of D, and then we've got the whole numbers. So we combine those. Now we can look and say, oh, they have a greatest common factor. I can see that. These are both multiples of 7. So I'm going to put that greatest common factor there. I'm going to put a placeholder for my parentheses, and then I'm going to think, 49 divided by 7, 7. I'm going to keep my sign the same. 21 divided by 7 is 3, and I have to remember that's a term of D. So now I have factored. To check my work, I can expand it. 7 times 7 is 49, distributing that way. Now I'm going to distribute this way. 7 times 3, 21D. This is the same as this. Voila, we are correct.